Hi friends, welcome to Gallant IAS. Hope you guys have an amazing day. So today I'm here to give you an introduction about our new CSAT course. So before giving an introduction about our new CSAT course, let me tell you a story. A story of an aspirant who actually scored good marks in her GS paper but lost prelims just because of this paper CSAT. So guys, CSAT is very important for us. So you only need 33% of the marks in order to clear this paper, but still this paper is very important. Most of the student is actually not qualifying prelims just because of this second paper, that is CSAT. It's just because of the fact that they are not giving that much priority to the second paper. They are actually planning to study the CSAT just before 1 month of the prelims. So that's not a correct strategy to study the CSAT paper. Okay, and another thing is that most of the students is actually studying all sort of shortcut equations, and they are trying to use that shortcut equations in exam. Sometimes it may work, but in case of CSAT, if you are looking the questions from 2015 to 2020, you can see that an evolution happened in CSAT questions. So maybe in 2015 questions, you can directly use these shortcut equations there and you can find the answer. But when you take the 2020 questions, the answer is, you will be getting the answer only by step. That means in that question, you actually need to know the basics. If you know the basics, then you can find the answer. Otherwise, it's too difficult for you to find the answer. That's how UPSC designed the questions in 2020. So guys, here in Gallant IAS, we are giving much priority to the basics of each and every topics in CSAT syllabus, especially in case of arithmetics. So you need to know the basics first. Then only you can apply all those sort of shortcut equations and you can find the answer. Okay, so we designed our course in such a way that we will be giving you the basics first. Okay, now let me give you an idea about our class structure. First of all, we will be dealing with the basics. As I said earlier, our first aim is to study you guys the basics. Okay, so I know that most of the students will be from the non-science background also, right? This whole students will comprising of science background as well as non-science background. And I know that for the non-science background students, it will be too difficult to study the CSAT syllabus, especially when it comes to the arithmetic as well as logical side. Okay, so you need much more care. That's why we are actually starting from the basic first. Okay, so we will be dealing with the basics, then we will be doing certain previous year questions in the classes, and then we will be providing you guys a PDF. Okay, so mostly the PDF will be consisting of the shortcut equations and a few model questions. Okay, so that model questions will be your assignment and you need to do that, all those model questions, right? And if you have any doubts regarding any of those questions, you are free to ask. Okay, you can contact the faculty at any point of time and they will be clearing your doubts. Okay, so guys, when you take the whole CSAT syllabus, you can actually divide the syllabus into two equal halves. Okay, when you take the question paper also, you can see that the total questions can be divided into two equal halves. The first half consists of the arithmetic, logical, reasoning type questions, and the second half mostly the comprehension type questions. Okay, likewise, our CSAT course is also divided into two parts. Okay, the first part consists of arithmetic, logical, reasoning type questions, so that will be dealt by myself, and the second part, that is the comprehension, that will be dealt by Justin George. So he will be giving you an idea about the second part of the course. So guys, I know that we all are going through a huge financial crisis just because of this COVID pandemic, right? So we Gallant IAS is actually providing this course in a much affordable manner. So for more details, please check onto the link given in the description box. And all the best, guys. Have a good preparation strategy, and I'm sure that you guys will clear this prelims in 2021. All the best. Thank you.